For all our characters, it's a metaphor for all our characters. जैसे कि सब जानते हैं, औरंगजेब was a Mughal emperor and he was a tyrant. He went to great extents, even destroying his own family to obtain power. And therein lies the answer to why the film is titled Aurangzeb. It's because human beings can push themselves to any extent to obtain power, to be at the top. What kind of limits would you push? Would you destroy your own family, your own people? How far would you go for power? And that's where it comes into all our characters.
कि आजकल जैसे एक रिवाज बन गया है हीरो हीरोइंस को कहने का कि ये कैसी पिक्चर है, तो बोलते हैं फन फिल्म, कोई बोलता है स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ, कोई कहता है इट्स ए कॉमेडी. नो, दिस इज नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. ये प्रोड्यूसर ने चुना था. आपको ये भी बताना जरूरी है कि बेवजह इस फिल्म में गाने ठोसने की हमें जरूरत नहीं समझी. तो ये डायरेक्टर का प्लान बिल्कुल क्लियर था कि इस फिल्म में हम कहीं जबरदस्ती कोई भी ऐसा एक सिचुएशन नहीं डालना चाहते जिससे पिक्चर की जो एक नैरेटिव है, जो पिक्चर का एक फ्लो है, कहने का एक जो एक मकसद है, वो किसी तरह रुकावट की हैसियत से रुक जाए. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है. तो हमने कोशिश की है कि ये फिल्म उन्हीं फाउंडेशन पे बनी रहे जो हमने चुनी थी, और वैसे आपके सामने वो पेश की जाएगी.
This is a film that is mostly about the characters and what happens between them. So in a way it's also shot like that. You know, you get to see the actors up close. It's about performances. It's about intense performances from actors, and that is what I really enjoyed while doing Aurangzeb. Atul is somebody who has got a lot of clarity regarding what he wants each actor to do in the film. And the film is also shot for the actors. When you see the film, you will realize that there are shots that will sustain on the faces, where, you know, you try and communicate without actually saying anything. And Atul's lines are almost choreographed. It's written almost like choreography. But the way the film is shot and the way the characters are placed, it comes across as very real and very non-dramatic.
इशकजादे में अच्छी खासी लव स्टोरी थी, आपने वही देखी थी ना? अच्छी खासी लव स्टोरी थी उसमें. एक्चुअली फाइटिंग भी थी, और ये नहीं फाइटिंग. अच्छा, माइंड ब्लोइंग चीज क्या है, इशकजादे में मैं हमेशा अतुल को भी कहता था, और श्याम जी जो हमारे एक्शन डायरेक्टर है, इशकजादे में मैंने सबसे मार खाई है. हाँ. सबसे चाटे खाए, इंक्लूडिंग द हीरोइन, द मदर, द ग्रैंडफादर. तो मैंने औरंगजेब में वो भड़ास निकाली, रिवेंज निकाली जी, कि मैं अब सबको मारूंगा और पीटूंगा. ऐसी कोई इमेज की थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं है. It's if people like me in that, that's fantastic. That's like the icing on the cake. I went with the material. I really enjoyed reading the script, and I thought it's an opportunity of a lifetime to play a double role so early in my career. So I jumped at that. ऐसा कुछ सोच समझ के प्लान नहीं किया था.
Just had a blast during the film. बहुत मजा आया करते वक्त. नया डायरेक्टर दिखता मगर नया कुछ लगा नहीं मेरे को. बहुत संभाला, एक लुक बराबर संभाल के रखा. आईना के बाद यशराज फिल्म में काम करने का मौका मिला. ऋषि जी आपको कुछ बताएंगे बाद में, जो हमारी ये दूसरी पिक्चर साथ में है. But I just had a great time. अर्जुन,
मैं आपको ये बताऊं, ये जैकी और मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है, और एक बार फिर दोनों फिल्में हमने एक भी शॉट साथ में नहीं दिया है. ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में जाएगा कि 2 फिल्म में काम करते हुए भी हमारा एक भी शॉट नहीं है साथ में. इसमें थोड़ी रोशनी आपको डायरेक्टर साहब ही डालेंगे.
एक इत्तेफाक है. मैं कोशिश अगर कर सकता इस तरह का कोई सीन रखने की तो जरूर करता, बट आई गेस इससे ज्यादा कुछ कहना मुनासिब होगा नहीं, क्योंकि आप फिल्म देखें तो आपको ज्यादा पता लगेगा.
First and foremost, I want to play characters in today's times, and I always keep saying this. I want to play good characters. Action happens to be part of all those characters, so I will do it, and if I look good doing it and people like it, that's very good. I also want to experiment with all kinds of roles, and it won't stop me from experimenting. If I have a unique quality of being able to pull off action well, that's an advantage. but that will never ever stop me from selecting, say like I'm doing a film called Two States, which is a romantic comedy. And that is equally exciting for me as an actor, and I hope people find that equally exciting when they see me. I'm still 1 year old in this industry. I'm only one film old. This is my second. It's my beginning, so I've not confound myself to any image, any thought process. मेरे पे ये सूट करता है, ये अच्छा लगता है, मेरे fans ऐसा सोचते हैं. I'm just doing good films. For me, it's important to do good work, connect with our audience. And in years to come, you obviously come to know what the audience likes to see you in. And I'll definitely keep that in mind when I sign films in the future. But right now, it's about my own discovery as an actor also, what I'm capable of. Can I do comedy? Can I do a silent role? In terms of, for me, Vishal in this film is very exciting. He's much more quieter than both my other characters, say Ajay and Parma and Ishak Zadeh. So it's an exciting time for me. I'm not thinking so much about the action or the non-action part of it. And like I said, for me, Ishak Zadeh was never an action film. It's an intense love story based in a world where there is a lot of chaos. If it's interpreted as an action film, that's unfortunate because it's not. I mean, हमने एक भी हम end में जो किया है, हमने सिर्फ एक दूसरे को गोली मारी है. हमारी गोली किसी और को लगी नहीं. तो action ज़्यादा हो नहीं रहा था. हमारे पास reaction आ रहे थे चाटे खाने के. Aurangzeb is a little more real in that sense. It's based in the underworld, so the action is more like matter of fact. There is violence in that world. It exists. Guns are a day-to-day thing in the film. I base it film to film, not so much in terms of the imaging or the perception that is being created at this point of time.